Today is Friday, December 23rd. The time is 10:13 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2010 Panini Football Limited break number 2. Good luck, everybody. Let's begin. First card goes to the Dallas Cowboys. Jason Witten, serial number 206 out of 499. Next one goes to the Chicago Bears. Legend Jim McMahon, serial number 249 out of 499. Next is the Denver Broncos. Phenoms Parrish Cox, serial number 268 out of 499. Next for the Rams, Merlin Olsen Legend, serial number 218 out of 499. Next we have a jersey, Darren McFadden, Oakland Raiders, serial number 9 out of 199. Next for the Dallas Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware, jersey, serial number 17 out of 25. And next for the Miami Dolphins, we have a Ronnie Brown team trademarks, serial number 48 out of 50. Then we have a redemption for a Moniker Silver, card number 162. I will look that up and send that out to the appropriate team. And the last card is Steve Breston, Cardinals, serial number 176 out of 499. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. I will be posting another 2010 Panini Limited probably later today, as well as a 2011 Timeless Treasures. And I currently have up there for breaks a 2011 Topps Triple Threads and a 2011 Panini Certified. And for hockey, I have ending today a 2011-2012 Panini Certified Hockey break.